Students in the dental hygiene program are helping build a healthier Howard County by offering dental hygiene services at an on-campus center.
A lot of the patients that we see have not been to the dentist in years. We even have patients who have never been to the dentist before. So our program is just a great place to have patients come in. We do so much education. Patients get to have a comprehensive exam, radiographs, a cleaning, and we get to also do oral hygiene instructions, nutritional counseling, tobacco counseling.
At the center, students get hands-on experience under the supervision of a dentist, and patient volunteers from the community or the college receive quality care for minimal cost.
It's a great benefit to students. What we ask for is for the limited amount of money that that a community member would pay is to get the students some time in the chair. So they donate their time to the student so that they can fulfill their requirements while also doing a service to that person as the patient volunteer.
Treating both children and adults gives students an opportunity to practice a wide range of skills. In exchange for their time, the patient receives quality dental hygiene care they may not otherwise be able to afford. The center is always looking for new patients to serve, and they're very grateful for the ones who have graced their doors.
And we're seeing patients from all backgrounds, from all over the world, that are hearing about our program, coming in, especially because of the pricing. It's so affordable. And so we're really happy and grateful that we can help.
For student Jessica Willems, giving back to the community has been very rewarding.
Actually, I had a patient that was from the community. I didn't know her, and that was my first patient that I didn't know, and it was really awesome just to see her experience because she came to us saying that her previous experience at the dentist that she was at wasn't the greatest, and so she had a lot of concerns, and when she came here, you could just see a difference. Like after the end of the appointment, she felt so much better and felt like she was taken really good care of, so that was rewarding for me.